Okay. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang to. Okay, guys. So, hi. Long time no talk. Long time no see. Long time no talk. So, ayun. Pag-uusapan natin for today's podcast is all about, syempre, all about our mental health and how we can maintain it to be healthy. I know nothing's perfect in this world, but in our world, we can we can always refer something or someone to be perfect, but only our only we can see it, but only we can see in our eyes, but in the eyes of others, it's not. So as you can see, it's like the term wabi sabi, right? You know wabi sabi, guys, alam niyo yun. Nauso siya sa TikTok or sa mga Pinterest, ganun. Basta kahit sa ang social media is nauso siya, which is never naman nauso siya. So, yeah, the term wabi-sabi, because anything in this world will never be perfect, but only your eyes can see what's perfect, and the scars or mistakes can make it look even better. Being imperfect is something we can be proud of, and yeah, we can never be proud of at the same time. And yeah, and of course, we don't need to be ashamed or depressed about it. The only thing we can do is to accept it. And a lot of you guys, especially in this generation, the majority always scars themselves up if they want to not live in this world. And I totally get it. I don't blame you guys for doing that, and it is totally understandable, but we must keep ourselves on not doing that, because our body is our most beautiful asset that we can use in this world. But yeah, always remember that you're the author of your own life, and it's never too late to rewrite your story. Puro ako English, pero ayun. If someone is inaaway kayo or nagsasays ng something bad about you, always remember that you don't need to give a fuck about them. Of course, their words don't let it affect. Of course, their words yeah, of course, don't let their words affect you, and don't let it bother you. And yeah, just do what you want and be happy. Sabi nga nila, to be weird, ano? To be weird is to be happy. Well, you're not. You're not even totally weird. It's it's just it's just their own definition of weird, but to you it's not. Gets nyo ba, guys? Yun. We all have different stance on something, on things, and yeah, especially on how we refer on things. Just let go of the shame, guilt, and anxiety, and just try to be yourself. Try to reconnect with your true self, and try to actually uh, try to unleash it. Wala akong masabi actually, cause sa totoo lang, I'm in the middle of a crisis, which is my school schedule. Yeah, pero okay naman siya medyo compared sa last year. Pero yun nga, pero ayun, the title of this podcast is Just to Be Yourself. I don't know if ilang minutes lang tong vid na to, kasi medyo wala na akong maisip na masulat sa script. And ayun, just to be yourself. Ayun, always be yourself. And if others refer you as weird, then don't give a fuck as long as you're happy. Alright guys, yun lang. Yun lang guys. Alright guys, bye.